Hello dear friend, in DaVinci Resolve 20.2 update, there is a new update for color page. This is a AI Cinematic has new features, and this is a so crazy features dear friend. For example, if you are in forest, if you want to give a haze effect like cloudy shadow effects, you can do very easily. This is the totally AI feature, very useful feature dear friend. In today's video, let's see how to use all the parameters of these new features in DaVinci Resolve 20.2 updates. All parts are very important here. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscriptions gives me a lots of motivations to make more creative tutorial for you. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC inside DaVinci Resolve to go through this new feature. AI cinematic feature is AI cinematic haze. If you want to give cinematic haze like cloud effects very naturally, no, you can do in this new feature. For this, come here to our color page here. In color page, just select here effect and here type cinematic. You can see here cinematic haze and it will appear here. You see cinematic haze. Now we come here and put here. Just click here. You see it's a yellow. It means it will connect automatically. So you can see this is the color node. It has automatically connected. And now you can see we have haze effects. Actually, it's using AI depth map preview. Depth map preview. Just click. Now you can see in this here preview here. And now you can add far limit. Actually, how much you want. As you see here, you can see here all the parameters here, and near limit you can see here. From you can guide here limits here. You can make it smaller. You see, I want to give a small. No, it's okay for me. And now we come here to advanced depth control here. Now we have more control in our hand here. Post processing, you can add any filter etc. If you want to add here contract is, see here in this way you can adjust. You can add deep flicker here. See here deep flicker effect. Isolation, if you want to add here, you see isolation. Just click anything. If you want to add, it will add you. Okay, there are so many settings you have to understand, explore, give time. You see, you will understand how it works. Here we have depth map settings, internal from alpha input. I put this on default. It's a better, is a good for me. Faster I will not use. Here we have color band settings here. Band is okay, we don't need. Okay, this is actually preview one. It's okay, just click here. Now you can see this is our haze effects. So if you want to make it smaller limit, you can see here. From here directly you can do here. You see here you can decrease, increase. It's okay for me. Near limit, if you want to use preview panel, just depth, just click here. Okay, then you will understand in detail. After once previewing, you can more make it on your photo. You can make it. You see, you can decrease from here, increase. You see here I'm adding more. If you want to add less haze, just click here. You see limit far. You see here far limit gamma. If you want to add gamma, it will add gamma here. You see gamma. And now you can add color here. You see here, if you want to add other color, not this color for haze, I want to take this something red effect. You see cinematic effect like this. You can actually add from directly from here. And now you can add size from here. You see size, hello threshold. There are lots of settings here. You have to understand all these settings once you work. You see hello threshold. So in haze, you just not only you can add this cloudy effect, you can add several type of effect directly from here. If you want to add this, you see this effect, green, red, any effect you choose and use for your cinematic effect. You see red. If I want to add this effect. Okay, this effect. Okay, brightness you can add here. You see brightness. You can add saturation directly, not too much, little bit. Okay, and now we play for us, and these are the game-changing features which I love. So this is the AI has in this way work here. Color override use. We have color space. I use for Rec 709 for by mobile. If you have a recorded video on mobile, use Rec 709. Use gamma input. You can select from your understanding here. Rec 709 I use for mobile video here. Everything is okay. Post banking regions, density. If you can add atmospheric, all right. You see atmospheric scattering, etc. You can do directly from here. Saturation loss, etc. So you have to give time in UC, and you will do a lots of things. You see here light rays. If you want to enable light rays, no, you can see we have a light rays effect actually. My dear friend, see light rays. And if you want to use threshold, you can directly use threshold from here. We don't need this. Okay, air disturbance. If you want to add air disturbance, enable here. No, it will be like features will be very useful. It's actually used for your if you are in forest, if you want to add some new effects to your video, then you will use this. This is actually new features Cinematic has in DaVinci Resolve 20.2 update here. Explore new features, try on your clip, write me in the comment box which features you like most, which feature is very useful to you. Don't forget to write and share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial will be very useful to them, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We meet in the next tutorial of DaVinci Resolve here on this channel, dear friend. Take care. Bye.